Welcome! If you want to make sure you never miss an important notification from your Facebook page, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to enable sound for notifications on your Facebook page using your PC, following the latest update. This is a quick and easy process, so let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main Facebook page, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select the page you manage. If you manage multiple pages, simply click on the one you want to adjust notifications for. Once you're on your page, click on the page's profile photo, which you'll find near the top left of the screen. This will take you directly to your page's main dashboard. Now, it's time to dive into the settings. Look for the Settings and Privacy option in the left-hand menu. Click on it, and then select Settings from the expanded options. This will bring you to a new page where you can control all sorts of settings for your page. Next, find and click on Notifications in the left sidebar. This section allows you to customize how you receive notifications for your page. Under Notifications, look for the Browser option and click on it. Here's the important part. You'll see an option that says Play a sound when each new notification is received. To enable this feature, simply toggle the switch so it turns blue or shows as enabled. That's it. Now, every time you receive a new notification on your Facebook page, you'll hear a sound alert right from your browser. With this setting turned on, you'll always be in the loop and ready to respond to your audience in real time. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.